In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Vimeo video on a Facebook page. Whether you're promoting your latest project or just want to show a video to your followers, understanding how to share content across platforms is essential. Starting off, you'll want to log into your Vimeo account. Head straight to Vimeo and enter your credentials to access your account. Now locate the video you wish to share. This could be a finished masterpiece or a quick update you've crafted. It's crucial that you identify the right video, as this is what will be showcased to your Facebook audience. Once you've pinpointed your video, look for the Publish to Social button. You'll usually find this conveniently positioned in the top right corner of the video page. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to click on the drop down arrow next to the share button. This provides more sharing options and flexibility, making it a crucial step in our process. Next, you'll need to connect your Facebook account to Vimeo if you haven't done so already. This is essential for a seamless sharing experience. Simply follow the prompts to link your Facebook account. This might involve logging into Facebook and granting permissions, but don't worry, Vimeo will guide you through it. Once you've linked your accounts, Vimeo makes it easy to share content across both platforms. With your accounts connected, you can now select the specific Facebook page where you'd like to publish your video. This is important if you manage multiple pages, ensuring that your video reaches the right audience. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the intended page. This ensures that your content lands exactly where you want it to. Now, on to the details. Before you hit publish, consider adding any necessary text or information to your post. This could be a catchy description, some context about the video, or a simple call to action. A well-crafted post can enhance engagement and help your video stand out amidst other content on Facebook. Once you're satisfied with your added details, go ahead and click publish, and there you have it, your Vimeo video is now shared on your desired Facebook page. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage both platforms, broadening your video's reach and impact. Keep in mind that the internet is all about visibility and interaction, and sharing across platforms can be a powerful tool in your content creation arsenal. Thank you for watching this video on how to share your Vimeo video on a Facebook page. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with sharing and posting until you find what works best for you and your audience. Until next time, happy sharing.